Hi, welcome to this overview video on the basic operation of the YSI ProQuatro. The YSI ProQuatro from Xylem is a powerful multi-parameter water quality meter used for on-site testing of pH, conductivity, temperature, dissolved oxygen, and oxidation reduction potential. When hiring the YSI ProQuatro from AirMet Scientific, the unit will include the YSI ProQuatro unit with probe and attached cable, a YSI flow cell, which allows for controlled sampling of the environment by reducing disturbance and degassing, 2 spare C-size batteries and a screwdriver to replace the internal batteries, and a probe protector for when the flow cell is not used. To begin, let's look at powering the unit on and off. To power the YSI ProQuatro on or off, simply press and hold the power button for 3 to 4 seconds until the screen activates or shuts down. Let's take a closer look at the keypad. The main buttons on the unit are the System button, Probe, Calibration, and File keys. These give you quick access to everything from adjusting the instrument settings, switching the unit of measure, calibrating the sensors, and even pulling up data from your saved files. Getting around the menus is simple. Use the arrow keys and the Enter and Escape keys in the center of the keypad to make your selections. We have the backlight button and the power button for the unit here. The brightness and contrast can be fine-tuned by holding the backlight button and pressing the left or right arrow keys. Changing the unit of measure can be done by selecting Probe, Display, selecting your sensor, and then either adding an alternative unit of measure or swapping it out entirely. Now let's take a look at the cables and sensors. The ProQuatro has a 4-sensor sonde allowing for the device to measure pH, temperature, conductivity, dissolved oxygen, and oxidation reduction potential simultaneously. The YSI ProQuatro can record up to 5,000 data points and record in interval or single event logging mode. The device has user-adjustable auto-stabilization with prompts. The YSI ProQuatro can come equipped with 1, 4, 10, 20, or even 30-meter cable lengths depending on your application. The YSI ProQuatro comes with a flow cell which allows for controlled sampling of the environment by reducing disturbance and degassing. Thanks for watching our overview video on the YSI ProQuatro. We hope you found it helpful. Be sure to check out our other videos in this series to get the most out of your instrument. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out to your local AirMet Scientific office on 1-800-000-744.